This is a brand new business park. This is the actual site where the Royal Enfield was designed and initially thought of. What do you think was started here? This building here is brand new, but this is the site of where the original Royal Enfield factory was. Their remaining buildings. Obviously this is brand new, and as I'm about to save the best for last, again, new buildings. Ooh, over a little bit of grass. It says the Enfield Cycle Company, because I don't know whether you know, it was originally, I forget now, should know that, I'll dub that into the video later. But I knew it made rifles because I've shot an Enfield rifle, and it made bicycles because it was bought by a company called Raleigh, which is a really big British company. But there's very few buildings left. As I said, this is what's a brand new place. I'm being looked at weird, which you always do. Closest we can read. On this site, the Enfield Cycle Company Limited manufactures renowned Royal Enfield bicycles and motorcycles from 1907 to 1967. Made like a gun, presented Royal Enfield Owners Club in the year 2001. Oh, a bit of art there. The bullet. Oh no, it's the military version, I think. I'm sure I'll have 100 people correct me. Called Enfield House. And if I can get away with it without being looked at too much, I'll go and walk and show you the other old buildings what's left. Get an idea of the street that it's on. Just a normal residential street. And this is the last of the rest of the buildings. You can see the sheds at the top, you can imagine them. How many bikes came out that door, do you think? I can't get round the back, but there you go. Obviously Chennai is now the home to Royal Enfield, but this is where it was born. It's sad, it's a shame.